Welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, for this video, gawin natin ang timeless energy check para sa may mga Sun, Moon, at Rising na Scorpio. Ang gamit natin is the Star Seed Oracle. So, kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. Scorpio, how are you? At ang card mo is We the Hawthorns, Deep Love, Mother's Milk, Birth out as a portal. Alam mo yung tipong, yun yung nakakaloka lang din sa'yo, Scorpio. Continuously, transformation. And you know what? Birth is also a form of transformation. Now, ano ba yung sinasabi dito na deep love? Now, love kasi comes in many forms and na-express siya sa maraming pamamaraan. It's time that you allow that love to also flow in you. Now, yung iba sa inyo nandoon na how come that you cannot give love? It's because hindi mo rin alam paano mag-accept ng love. Love is also about trusting, believing, and also forgiveness. It's just a few kung ano ba talaga meaning ng love. If you punta ka ng 1 Corinthians chapter 13. So, andito na sinasabi ng universe din, Mother's Milk and Birth as a portal. Alam niyo, dami sa inyo na meron kayong, because of the continuous transformation experiences na naranasan nyo, andoon na you can be like a mother para kang maging magulang kasi kaya mo nang i-guide yung mga taong dumadaan sa same na pinagdaanan mo. Kumbaga, ikaw yung magiging source of inspiration and the source of strength, the source of wisdom. Ikaw yung magdadala sa kanila ng light. Yes, kasi ikaw yung nag-pioneer eh. So, alam mo yung pinagdaan nila, sinong best person na makakaintindi? Ikaw. Kasi alam mo yung hirap and you can relate to them. And the wisdom, yung karunungan at kaalaman na meron ka, willing ka namang mag-share, and that will help not just to heal you, not to heal them, but heal everyone around you as well. I hope nakatulong sa yung reading, and I'll see you on our next video.